Hey people, so I guess we have enough of these mother-son videos, but it's just always special to have my child along with me in a video. And Ayush, can you give me suggestions about how to improve my viewer list?
Do some gaming
Do some gaming
and board games.
and board game. And what else?
That's all.
Okay, board games like.
Monopoly and Battleship.
Okay, so Ayush, how was your event yesterday? Would you like to say thank you to Miss Jerusha? Then we can send her this video. Miss Jerusha and Miss Indu and
Yeah.
Mr. Sebastian.
Thank you for thank you for doing this winter show. I appreciate it so much.
Okay, so that is like super cute. And this video, you all cannot see me, but it's going nowhere really. But thank you.
And thank you for letting me block my mommy.
Yeah, thanks for watching and please